Which of the following pairs of numbers is a solution to the equation 3x squared minus 54 is equal to negative 21x? And then we have these four choices. Now, you can take these and fill each one into x and make sure they both work, and that's going to tell you which of these pairs is the correct answer. But I'm going to show you how to solve it algebraically. This is a quadratic equation. I know that because it has an exponent. And one of the ways you can solve a quadratic equation is by factoring. Now we need a 0 right here. So I'm going to add 21x to each side, and I'm going to write this side in standard form. That means I'm going to put the x term in the middle, and now you have 0. Now we're ready to factor this. So the first step in factoring, and this is a 21, the first step in factoring is to take out a greatest common factor. So 3 will go into each and every one of these. If I divide every one of these by 3, I'm going to get x squared plus 7x minus 18. All right, now as far as solutions, I don't really have to worry about the 3 anymore. Now I need to factor this trinomial. A trinomial factors into two binomials. And since this is a minus sign, you're going to have one plus and one minus. All right, the x goes here. You're unfoiling, in other words. Now what we need is a pair of numbers that will multiply to give us negative 18, but add up to give us positive 7. So if you go through the list, 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. And remember, to get at negative 18, one of them is going to be positive and one is negative. You will finally come up with the pair 9 and 2. Positive 9 times negative 2 multiply to give you negative 18, but they add up to give you positive 7. Now, once you're at this point, you're using something called the zero product property. So x plus 9 is equal to 0, x minus 2 equals 0. One of these has to be true, and then we just solve each one. So x is equal to negative 9. Here you would add 2 to each side, or x is equal to 2. Answer D.